lovely students. Welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the English class. This class is for Standard 1st, Semi-English, Urdu. Let's learn English with more fun. Are you enjoying this English class? You are enjoying na? Very good. So dear students, today we are going to learn from your book 4.6 Let's know new words. तो आज हम कुछ नए वर्ड्स जानेंगे. What you have to do? Look, listen and learn. Are you ready? Let's start. This is ant. Ant. This is X. X. This is apple. Apple. These words begin with letter A. And X. Apple. Understood? Very good. What is this? This is an egg. And this is elephant. This is engine. Egg, elephant, engine. These words begin with letter E. See the next picture. Ink. Injection. Insects. Ink, injection, insects. These words begin with letter I. Look at this picture. This is umbrella. Umpire. Underline. Umbrella, umpire, underline. These words begin with letter U. Let's trace the dots. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O. Thanks for watching. U. Understood? Very good. Or dear students, do you know these letters are vowels? इन्हें वॉवेल्स भी कहते हैं. A, E, I, O, U क्या है? वॉवेल्स है. ये आप याद रखिए.